Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to move and rearrange apps on a home screen on your Sharp Google TV. So first you need to go to the home screen just like me. Now go to your apps and now you can choose an app, for example the YouTube music. Now hold the OK key on your TV remote and now click move. Here we can move it by the arrows. So for example, I want it to be first. Now I'll just do the same with Prime Video. I'll just click OK and put it right here because I do not use that. Now put Netflix at second, then Disney Plus at fourth, and now click done. As you guys can see, now our apps are rearranged and moved. And here, if you click the reorder, it works just the same. So that'd be it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and a comment under this video. See you next time.